Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm just gonna do something really simple today. I said that last time. It's never simple with me. But I don't know, we finna see. We finna see. We finna see. I'm gonna start off with my P. Louise bases. Cause them my girls. Them my girls. They're in the shade Rumor 5, Rumor 0. I mix them girls together. Not that much of each. I love these bases. Look how smooth they go on your lid, bro. Look at that shit. That shit is. They did their thing. We just came into my life. She changed the game. You always know it's morphy, morph. We're gonna get it right one day. Not much. I just go right over my lid. Cause I think I'm gonna do a brown look anyway today. I forgot you have ruined my palette. Look, y'all. Have kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said. I'm gonna use this brown right here. I don't know how this brown gonna work out because I don't like browns on me like that. We just gonna have to wing it, alright? Whatever happens, happens. I don't know what it is about browns. I don't like it. When I tell y'all, I'm so over this look already. It's not working out for me. Featuring the baby. You see yourself? Alright, y'all, I'm back. But why my camera won't focus? Come on, get with the program. Back to what I was doing, which was fucking up. I'm just gonna put this over my whole eyelid and call it a day. I just had an idea. Winged eyeliner, because I got this black P. Louise base. I can use it to make a wing liner. I just thought I'll do that. Cause you know what, today we just winging the whole look today anyway. I ain't never used this black. I guess I could use regular liner, but who wants to do that? Who wants to be boring? I don't think I'm gonna do it again with the liner. I don't know, it look kind of funny, don't it? Y'all know how they be doing the little point right here? I'm finna do that. I'm finna attempt it. I don't know, we're gonna clean it up with concealer, you know that. You know what I'm finna do? Cause it looks a little boring up here. I'm gonna put some rhinestones on it. Because why not? Oh, I gotta get out my lash glue. I don't like it. I don't think I like it. But I'm gonna leave it until I put the rest of my face together. I always kind of go in with my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. It just looks so, it just glide on there so good. And it's cold, oh my god. It feels so good. I can't get away from it. Shade 360. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place concealer. I'll wet my beauty blender up a little bit. Yes, I know y'all, I got a lot of forehead. Let it go. It's Beauty Bakery blush. And you know, I kind of got like a brownish orange going on right now, so it's an orange blush. Oh, it's so cute. Look it. I ain't never wore blush in my life. So ask me how the hell am I supposed to put this on? My neighbor is a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, I just don't feel like it. I should have bought pink or something. I don't see it do anything. It's cute though. Does it have a smell? I didn't smell it. It smells like chalk. Alright, let's highlight Tartiste Pro Glow. This one's called Lit. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. And I love putting highlighter right here. Like I know some people probably grew out of that. I, however, did not. Bite. Called French Press. It's supposed to be a lip gloss, but I'm gonna use it as a liner. I got this nude from Sephora. Oh my god, hold on. Hey y'all, I'll be right back. Let me go do my hair. Alright y'all, this is the final look, y'all. Alright y'all, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all, I forgot to put on lashes. Hold on. A look ain't a look without lashes. I'm talking about some pie.